Did you know that gelato has nearly half the fat of traditional ice cream? Gelato isn't just a frozen treat. It's a centuries-old Italian art form, meticulously crafted to balance flavor, texture, and tradition. Its origins trace back to the Italian Renaissance, where it gained fame in Florence's royal courts. The Medici family played a key role in popularizing frozen desserts, even hosting a culinary competition that led to the creation of early gelato recipes. One cook, Ruggeri, wowed the Medicis with his frozen creation, and when Catherine de' Medici married the King of France, she brought both Ruggeri and his recipe to French nobility, helping spread gelato's appeal across Europe. Another significant figure in gelato's history was Sicilian chef Francesco Procopio dei Coltelli, who perfected the recipe with an innovative machine that controlled the freezing process. In the 17th century, he opened Café Procopé in Paris, the first establishment to serve gelato to the public, turning it into an instant sensation and cementing its place in European dessert culture. Unlike traditional ice cream, gelato contains less air and fat, giving it a denser, more intense flavor profile. Italian artisans use only the finest ingredients and age-old techniques, ensuring that each batch captures the perfect balance of smoothness and flavor. Today, gelato is celebrated worldwide for its unique taste and texture, and we're here to take you through the process. The foundation of gelato starts with a simple yet essential blend of ingredients. Milk, sugar, glucose, a stabilizer, and powdered milk come together to form the base. This mixture then undergoes pasteurization, a heating process that ensures safety and helps dissolve and integrate each component smoothly. With this base prepared, it's time to explore how different flavors come to life. To create biscottino, a hint of caramel is incorporated into the base, adding a rich, sweet undertone. The mixture then enters the ice cream machine, transforming from liquid to a creamy gelato texture. Once it starts taking shape, chocolate and digestive biscuits are mixed in, infusing the gelato with crunchy, chocolatey layers. Finally, as it's scooped into a tray, a final touch of chocolate, and biscuit crumble is sprinkled on top, creating the perfect biscottino experience. Mango gelato begins with fresh frozen mango pieces that provide an intense, fruity foundation. A caramel sauce is added for an additional sense of sweetness. Once it goes through the ice cream machine, it is garnished with more mangoes and followed by a generous topping of mango sauce. Enhancing the vibrant tropical flavor. Creating pistachio gelato starts with deshelled pistachios arranged on a baking tray and placed in the oven. This step helps to release the natural oils in the nuts, intensifying their flavor and aroma. Once roasted, the pistachios are blended into a smooth paste. Which is then incorporated into the gelato base. The mixture is sent into the ice cream machine, where it transforms into the rich, nutty pistachio gelato. For the honey and black sesame variety, black sesame seeds are finely ground in a food processor. Until they reach a paste-like consistency. This sesame paste, with its bold, earthy flavor, is combined with honey and mixed into the base. The entire blend then goes through the ice cream machine. Producing a creamy gelato with a perfect balance of sweetness and depth.